Okay, in this video, we're going to jump right in and show you 5 example e-commerce retargeting postcards. And at the end, we'll show you how to get your own automated postcard retargeting campaign today. I'll just mention this is easy, set it and forget it stuff to do to add to your existing marketing funnels. It ROIs, gives you a return on investment like crazy, considering the cost of getting something physical out in the mail to your customers. And all our pricing that you'll see on our website is postage included. So for as little as 64 cents a card, postage included, you can get a warm touch like the ones you're going to see right now into your best customers' hands. So the first card is from Bomb Tech Golf. It is a very simple one, just kind of like a meme or a photo related to what was purchased. Thank you for your recent donation. I wanted to disguise this thank you card so your spouse didn't get upset. So Sully over at Bomb Tech uses a little bit of humor. He deepens the relationship. He makes the person who purchased feel a little bit of a bond with him in his cards, and he does a really good job of that. And he just basically thanks them and gives them that warm, fuzzy feeling. Second example card is from Better Boat. Thanks so much for purchasing from us. It is really important to us. Again, that kind of emotional connection. Welcome to the family, right? You're getting the sort of affinity with your brand. And again, for 64 cents, postage included, it's kind of one of those things, just makes somebody more likely to buy from you again or to refer you to their own friends. They get, oh, that was very nice. I bought something from somebody and they sent me something in the mail. It's kind of a rare thing that doesn't happen that often. Here we have Ninja Board. They have a really cool looking card here. In my opinion, it looks really sharp. They are using QR codes, right? So they are offering a free something. Let's see, adjustable spiralizer and chef knife if you scan the code. So this is an example of where you can offer another promo or incentives for somebody to come back and engage with you again and buy more of your stuff. So really good idea. They give a unique code, as you can see on the right side, if you can read that, to the person, so it really feels personalized and tailored. Now keep in mind, this is all happening automatically. Thanks.io connects to your shopping cart or CRM system, and this is all triggered automatically, or you can sort of manually send these in just a few minutes a day if you want to. Next we have Purea. I hope I'm saying that right. Get your free body wash. Again, limited, right? They have a little scarcity there. First 100 customers claim your free gift. And this is where somebody has already bought from you, but you're offering them more of the same for free. Now, of course, a lot of times you might have them jump through a few hoops, or maybe it's a BOGO or something like that. But again, very powerful stuff. They give them a unique order number to use and a call to action there where they can scan and go back to the website. Now, keep in mind, all of this is direct response. You can track everything that's happening inside the Thanks.io dashboard. You'll see who's opening, which cards are getting delivered, who's opening. You can even trigger zaps on QR scans so that you tag and create other automations in your system whenever the direct mail is interacted with. Next one I'll show here is actually a letter. Now we do letters. We do postcards, letters, note cards, and gift cards. So I just want to show you an example of a letter. This is from Photo Booth, International Photo Booth, and basically just saying, again, a warm and fuzzy thank you, and then offering a coupon code to buy props, a discount on props. Very smart. So somebody bought something from you, and then you're going to upsell them and sell them more of the same stuff related to what they bought from you the first time. And I just wanted to mention this just so you know you can send letters and different kinds of mail using Thanks.io. And then finally, this is us getting high on our own supply, so to speak. This is a card that we send automatically whenever somebody passes a certain threshold with us. We send a Starbucks gift card. We have gift cards in the Thanks.io system, and it just says, hey, thank you. We just wanted to thank you and buy you some coffee. Basically, we appreciate you for being one of our better customers. So this is something you can do as well and trigger for only people who pass a certain order threshold. Again, these are your best buyers, your best customers, and they are the ones who are most likely to tell their friends about you. So do something warm and fuzzy, send an actual gift card, pay it back, if you will. Now, how to implement this, I'm just going to run through the steps. We have in-depth documentation, and our team is very happy to just roll up our sleeves and help you do this. It's pretty set it and forget it. You might spend an hour or two with us just getting this implemented if you do it on your own. If you're more tech savvy, you could probably get it done in a half hour, a very simple campaign. But again, we're happy to do it for you. What you do is you create a front-side image and upload it. You can either design this, have your designers do it, or you can just use our Canva integration. It's very simple. We even have a dynamic image builder that makes it like a matter of entering a few quick lines of code, upload your logo, and you're good to go. You create a message side. Now, we specialize in handwriting. So we have very, very real looking handwriting here. It's very hard to tell whether or not somebody sat down with a real pen and did this. It's proprietary fonts that we use. So you can choose one of the custom handwritings. You write your message, and then you can append an integrated trackable QR code, and if you want, as you saw in the last slide, gift cards. Next, you will connect Thanks.io to your shopping cart or CRM. It says via Zapier here, but we integrate with Make, Integromat, I think they used to be called, a few of the kind of Zapier type solutions. So whatever you're using, we can connect to your system, or if you want to do a direct API integration, we have a robust API. And I'll just mention here that if you do want to do multiple cards, which is probably a good idea, you do the initial thank you, and then maybe you drip out over time, depending on your business. Maybe a month later, you ask for a review. Maybe 3 months later, you offer a promo, a coupon. To do multiple cards and touches, you could just use our built-in campaigns feature, which works a lot like drip email. So that's kind of in a nutshell. This is not very hard to do. It's affordable. It's set it and forget it. You log into the dashboard, you get your campaign set up, and you probably don't need to log in all that often. It just kind of runs and gives you ROI for your business. So last slide here. If you do want help, you're going to just go ahead. You're going to make sure you get your Thanks.io account created today. We'll give you $10 in free credits. We'll send you some samples in the mail. Do upgrade to our business plan. You'll see details about that when you get inside. It kind of buys down your pricing to wholesale and gives you a lot of other additional features. And then we have our concierge services, which will give you complimentary setup of everything we just mentioned here. So if you're thinking to yourself, well, this would be cool for my business, but I ain't got time. Ain't nobody got time for that. We're just going to do it for you. We just have a quick little interaction. We'll meet with you, get the credentials to hook it up with Zapier or whatever you want to do to your shopping cart. We'll do a little design review with you, have our designers create something, and you'll be good to go before you know it. So go ahead. Somewhere on this page, you can click to create your free trial account, your free account with Thanks.io. Get those $10 in free credits, and we'll get the conversation started from here. Thanks for watching 5 example postcard e-commerce retargeting postcards from Thanks.io.